Hi and welcome to this section. A quick note here. Now that we have merged all our feature branch changes to our main branch, now I would be pushing back the changes to my remote repositories or centralized repository in the GitHub. To do that, now currently I have added the changes to my main branch. I'll just simply say git commit, or else I'll just simply say git push. What it does is changes all the recent changes to our remote repositories. It can be verified here also. I'll just go back to my remote or centralized repo in GitHub and do a refresh. If you see, this was the commit messages which I did in the feature branch and then merge it with the merge the changes to the main branch, and from there I'm pushing it back to my centralized repo here, which was done 25 minutes ago. If I open the content, this is an example of working with branches. I can also view the history here. It says committed in the feature branch. As a quick note, I just wanted to show you how we usually commit the changes and push it back to the remote repo or centralized repo as well. Thank you. Hope you like the information.